Let's continue. This intertwined area will give it some space, as it shouldn't blend together. When mixed, it might look similar, but as we draw, we need to process it a bit. Don't let it blend too much. For this part, the book spine, we don't need to be so detailed. Give it a break. There are leaves here and we can't see clearly. This part we can draw finely, but not too clearly. The top is very fine, it's the ink tip. Fork it this way, don't overdo it. Okay, here the branch might be growing upwards, showing through. This area needs to be a bit clearer in transition. This is a node showing the tree's posture. This goes this way, then that goes there. This goes this way, break it in the middle. Alright, here it forks again. Just break it like that. After breaking, extend this part. This way. Okay, this goes up again. This goes this way. Leave this longer, break it up more. But near the bottom, branches usually follow a pattern. Since leaves grow upwards, they're above the branch, not below. These leaves must be growing on the treetop. The lower branch is usually more complete, fully exposed. We can see clearly as there are no leaves below. It follows the same principle. See, this upper part grows upwards, this leaf section. We must keep this branch, break it, not divide it all. But the main branch near the lower edge will be more complete, and we'll see it clearly. Okay, but in the picture, it's not very clear, as if it's not there. Based on the composition, this branch goes here, that one there, and another one there. If we don't add some branches, it'll look strange, like something's missing. So let's add a bit in the middle, subjectively adding some ourselves. But don't add too much. This balances it out, otherwise that empty middle would look very odd. Here too there are more leaves. It might look messy and not very clear. But we should still add some, interspersing them like this. As long as it follows this direction, we don't need to worry about precise details. This is our side. Including this part above, actually. It has this, so add this branch to it. There will be some here, but very subtle. We should add as little as possible in the front. So let's start from this side. Okay, that's done. Now let's look at the branch in the ground. Let's first shade the darker parts we see in this branch, but don't paint it all at once, filling everything in. Paint it all, but to the right degree. Always leave some space, paint part and leave part for later. Even if we clearly see it's all dark, just paint the obviously dark parts. If there's a bit of space, leave some. Start with more, then refine gradually. Don't draw this completely line by line. Make sure to leave gaps in the middle. Pause and break it up. Alright, the first part should be a bit darker. As you move to this side, gradually transition and thin it out. Use dots to slowly blend over. Don't try to fill it all at once. Paint it bit by bit in the right places. And then for this dark part here, press down firmly to make it very dark. This side too, we can basically paint it completely black. Even if it's all black, remember to emphasize it many times by adding lines upwards one by one, not by painting back and forth on top. Avoid doing that. Okay, leave some space here. There'll be some lighter leaves with a bit of mottling. It's not pure black. This section might be. Then for this part, leave a bit, and up here start filling it all in. Alright, this branch is basically a silhouette, so make it very dark, pressing down directly. Okay, these upper branches are the same. This side is darker, so the color is a bit heavier. It's mostly pressed down. Leave some space here for painting leaves later. Okay, now for the tree above. Add another part. Leave some space. This is the same. Okay, press this down a bit. And here it's similar. Don't make it all black, keep some light. Because there are leaves here. This half can be darker. Use short lines to darken this half. Draw it in. Let's look at some details here. There are spots we mentioned earlier. The tree's shadow falls on itself. Leaf shadows fall on the trunk. So part of it is shadowed in color. It's projected up here. The top part is similar. Draw part of it, not all at once. Leave space for the leaves. Move to this side. This is also quite dark. Let's deepen this the same way. Darken it a bit, extending to here. Leave some space to separate the two branches. Okay, for this area, draw half of it first. Then deepen this part a bit. This is similar, let's do it. Alright, these parts. The big parts are done, now the leaves. For the leaf distribution, we'll use that technique. Draw leaves with irregular curves. There are many ways to draw leaves. Consider the tree's style and line type. First, it has layers. Don't make it completely round. It has some variation with ups and downs and layers. Now for this part here,